right here. There's a kayaker right there. It looks like they're kayaking all the way around here. So it looks like they're coming all the way from this way, going around this, and then going around that, and then going back. So yeah, I don't know, it's kind of cool. I didn't realize they had kayaking here, but I guess they do. So yep. I think this particular one is going, it must be going all the way around the peripheral part. And then the other ones are just going, there's a dragon boat there too. So alright, we're gonna keep on walking down this way and around. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There we go. Macau Tower in the background. Flowers over there. And we have dragon boat people over here. And we got more dragon boat people over here too, so they're getting all ready for something. And there's the dragon boat over there. But this is where they store all the boats, the dragon boat stuff. Okay, here we go. These are all the dragon boat stuff. And some kayak stuff too. I guess you can rent kayaks here, I didn't realize. There's the boats. There's the kayaks. There's the view. And they store them all in here. So they put them all in this space. Some of them have cases on them too. Okay. Pretty cool. There's some more. And then what I'm going to be doing in a minute is I'm going to be going up, because I can't go this way. This is kind of a safe space for this. Well, there's a connect over there, but we have to go up. So I'll go back.